In today's video, I will walk you through how to adjust Black's video in Filmora. First, open Filmora and import your video. Then drag the clip onto the timeline and click it to select the clip. Next, open the color or color correction panel, depending on your version of Filmora. Find the Black slider. To adjust blacks, move the slider to the left to make blacks darker and deeper. This creates stronger contrast and a more cinematic look, but it may reduce detail in darker areas. Move the slider to the right to lift the blacks, which brings out more detail in shadows, but can make the image look faded or washed out. As you adjust it, preview the video and fine-tune until the dark areas look balanced and natural. Blacks control the darkest parts of your video and go even deeper than shadows. While shadows adjust a wider range of dark tones, blacks focus only on the deepest parts of the image. Adjusting blacks helps define contrast and depth, making your video look more cinematic or helping recover detail in darker areas depending on your settings. And that's how to adjust blacks in Filmora. Thank you for watching the video.